It begins with a decision to turn open soil into a steady source of real, nourishing food for the family. Growing pumpkins and winter squash of all the predominant regional types is not just a seasonal activity, it is a structured plan that follows the rhythm of the year, moving carefully from soil preparation to harvest and long-term storage. As winter fades and consistent warmth settles in, preparation of the soil becomes the first priority. Squash and pumpkins require warm ground to germinate successfully. The soil must be loose, deep, fertile, and well-drained. The process starts by breaking up compacted layers, removing stones and old roots, and incorporating well-aged compost or cured manure. Rich organic matter supports the vigorous growth these plants are known for, since their root systems spread widely and draw heavily from the soil. The predominant squash and pumpkin types in the region generally belong to three major botanical groups. Varieties from the species Cucurbita maxima include large, round or flattened fruits with dense, sweet flesh and strong storage potential. The species Cucurbita muscata includes heat-tolerant types with firm skin and excellent keeping quality. Meanwhile, Cucurbita pepo encompasses a wide range of pumpkins and smaller squash, many with shorter growing cycles and diverse shapes. Planting a mix of these ensures harvests at different times and a broader selection for household use. Seeds are sown directly into their final growing location, since squash prefer not to be disturbed once established. Small raised mounds are formed to improve drainage and help the soil warm more quickly. 2 or 3 seeds are placed in each mound, a few inches deep. Once germination occurs, the strongest seedling is left to grow. Wide spacing is essential, as vines will spread across the ground, forming a living canopy that shades the soil and helps retain moisture. During late spring, growth accelerates. Large leaves capture sunlight efficiently, fueling rapid vine expansion. Consistent watering becomes important, especially during dry periods, though overwatering must be avoided to protect root health. Applying organic mulch around the base of the plant stabilizes soil temperature, reduces weed competition, and conserves moisture. As summer takes hold, flowering begins. Male flowers typically appear first, producing pollen. Female flowers follow, identifiable by the small swelling at the base that will become the fruit. Natural pollinators play a critical role in successful fruit development. Once pollinated, the fruits begin to enlarge steadily throughout the warmest months of the year. Throughout summer, the plants direct energy into fruit formation. Each species shows distinct characteristics. Some produce smooth-skinned pumpkins, others deeply ribbed or uniquely shaped squash. Regular watering during fruit expansion ensures full development and rich flesh quality. As days gradually shorten and temperatures begin to cool in early fall, the fruits reach maturity. The rinds harden, colors deepen, and the stems begin to dry. Harvest should be done on dry days, cutting each fruit carefully and leaving a portion of stem attached to extend storage life. After harvest, the fruits benefit from a curing period in a dry, well-ventilated space. This step strengthens the rind further and enhances storage longevity. Properly cured squash and pumpkins can last for months, providing dependable food through the colder season. From early spring soil preparation to fall harvest and storage, growing multiple types of pumpkins and squash follows a complete seasonal cycle. It is a process rooted in timing, observation, and care. By aligning planting with warming temperatures, nurturing growth through summer heat, and harvesting at full maturity in autumn, families create a sustainable system that transforms simple seeds into a long-lasting, nutritious food supply.